If you've already learned the basic editing tools with Concrete 5 and are looking for a deeper understanding of how things go together, this will give you a quick high-level lay of the land. Concrete 5 organizes your website as a huge tree of pages. Any page can have subpages. You can reorganize the tree by dragging and dropping around the sitemap. When you're creating a new page, it's saved in a drafts area until you choose where it should be published. Permissions for who can do what on a page generally trickle down the tree. So if you create a private area, all the new pages under that area will inherit the same access settings, but more on that later. Every page in your Concrete 5 site has a theme, and you can use different themes for different pages. The theme choice you make from the gear icon design menu tells Concrete 5 what directory to look at in your file system to render this page. Themes can have any type of HTML a designer or a developer wants. We use a very flexible templating approach you can learn about in designing for Concrete 5 documentation. Each theme has a series of templates in it. These templates map to different files in the theme directory and generally dictate how the page will look. Templates are mostly HTML with a few lines of PHP that define where a block area lives. Block areas are the hotspots you can drag blocks into when in edit mode. Templates typically map to presentation, so think sidebar on the left, sidebar on the right, full width, so on. Page types associate default content and functionality blocks to specific parts of a page template. You typically have page types for unique styles of content. Think job posting versus portfolio listing. Either might work with several templates, but both have unique information such as a department for the job listing or project size for the portfolio. Variables to store this unique information against pages, and also people in files, are called custom attributes. Custom attributes can be easily created in the Concrete 5 dashboard, and new types of attributes are simple for developers to build. So, in broad strokes, a Concrete 5 site is a series of pages, each with a theme, page type, and template defined. The template controls the uneditable HTML of your site's theme and defines where the editable block areas are. The page type sets up default blocks in those areas, which you can add to using the plus icon in your editing toolbar. Blocks are in fully encapsulated sets of PHP files that a developer can build and anyone can install from the marketplace. Blocks have custom templates, which create different ways of showing the same data, and are often used to style navigations in unique ways across a website. You can put blocks in your clipboard to reuse as you build out different pages. Just click Copy to Clipboard from the block in the page, and use the plus icon to bring up your clipboard to paste from. You can also put blocks in a stack, which is a centralized pool of blocks you can pull one block from or place as a whole stack on different pages as well. This is a great way to deal with a standard set of blocks for a side navigation. Some pages have site-wide or global block areas, which simply means any block you place in that page will show up on every page that has the same site-wide block area. These concepts should be plenty to get you around to start building basic Concrete 5 sites. If as a developer you're building something more application-y, you might also want to check out single pages in our documentation. These are more traditional one-off PHP files that can be placed in your site tree in just one spot. We use them to build all of your site's dashboard, login pages, and other one-off scenarios.